So children, in last class, we have done Roman numerals, right? Roman numerals and then ascending, descending order. And right, so today.
Ma'am, today's maths class, right, ma'am?
Yes, beta. Maths class is going on.
Yes, ma'am. I just got confused.
That I am teaching you science.
No, ma'am.
Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Our chapter is large numbers. So in this chapter, now we have learned your numeric values, your expansion, and write the number names, ascending, descending, right? Ascending and descending. Advik saying?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, are you writing something? Because I can't see the board. Shall I read out?
Screen is not visible.
No, ma'am.
To whom it is not visible?
Ma'am, Advait.
Advait.
Ma'am, it's visible. Ma'am, it is visible.
Advik, I am maybe some network issue from your side, beta.
Ma'am, shall I return?
It will be fine,
Yes.
beta.
Now it is.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am? Ma'am, can you explain me what have we done in the last class? Because
Yes, beta, that's all the things I'm explaining. Ascending order, descending order, and Roman numerals. Okay, so let's take a quick recap. Okay. Now suppose you have given this number 2,40385. So how will you write the number name, children? First of all, you will count their places. Means ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and lakh. Right? So how will you read this? Tell me, who will tell? Advait?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am will read it as 2,40,385.
Yes, very good. It will be 2,40,000 and 385. Right? Now this is the, write the number name in words. This is the this thing. Okay. Now suppose if I have written here 5 crore 20,000. So how will write in numerals? How we will write in Advik P,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please tell me 5 crore 20,000 in numerals? How we will write? First of all, you will write the number places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Right, beta? Now here 5 crore. So you will write 5 in the place of crore. Then 20,000 means this is the 20,000. Now rest places are vacant. So you will write 0. So in this way, you will write 5 crore 20,000 in numerals. Clear, beta? Understood,
Yes.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now who will tell me this? Advay Singh. Advay Singh, tell me. 4,26,000. How you will write in numerals?
4 lakh. First, we will write the places
Yes.
lakhs, 10,000,
Ones, tens,
1,000,
100,
100, and tens,
10,000.
ones.
Yes. Lakh. Right. Now tell me.
In lakh, we will write 4
Hmm.
and 1,000 0,
Hmm.
10,000 and 1,000 also 0, and 100 also 0. Tens and ones place will be filled by 26.
Yes. Very good. So in this way, you will write 4,26,000, or you can read once. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 4,26,000. Yes, children, have you understood this number name?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next thing what we have done, it was your ascending order. So, any guess? What is ascending order?
Yes, ma'am. It is like stepping up. It is like stepping up.
Yes, it is just like stepping upstairs, right? So first of all, you have to step step up first stair, then second one, then third one, then fourth one, like this only, right? Suppose, children, if I am writing here numbers 25, 385, then 12 and 400. Now we have to write all these numbers in ascending order. So how we will write? First of all, you will write the smallest one. Just like stepping up first stair. You can't step up the last stair first now. You have to step up first stair only, right? So what is your smallest number, children? First of all, tell me.
12.
12. So it will get the first place. So 12 you will write. Then after that 12, you can cross it.
25.
Then between 25, 385 and 400. Which is smaller? 25?
25.
Right. And after 25, which is smaller? Between
385.
385 and this is your 4. Last term is 400. So in ascending order, you have to write the smallest number first, then small, then bigger, then at the last biggest number, right? So if we have to write descending order, we have to write descending order. So how will you write descending order? Just write the ascending order from the back, or you can say when you are stepping down. When you are stepping down, if you want to step down from the stairs, then you will first of all step down for last stair, right? So in same descending order means you have to write the biggest number first. So 400, then smaller, then at the last smallest
25,
number. Yes. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am going to explain you rounding off. Rounding off. Kindly sit along with your notebooks to understand rounding off. So children, what do you mean by the rounding off? It means, suppose we are having a number 9. So it is closest to 10 or not? Number 9.
Yes, ma'am. It is close. Yes.
So we can round off this 9 to 10. Right, beta? Children, understood what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are few rules. See, first of all, I will explain the rules. Then it will be more clear. See, rules. First rule is, if the digit in ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then it is rounded. It is rounded up to the next higher tens. Rounded up to the next higher tens. Right? Now, if the ones digit is less than 5, then it is rounded down. It is rounded down. For example, see, suppose we are having 327. So just check its ones place digit. What is its ones place digit?
Ma'am, it will be rounded to 330, ma'am.
Yes, see. 7 is greater than 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And I have written it is rounded up to the next higher tens. So you will round this. 27. After 27, which higher will come? 30 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You will add 1 to the tens place digit. It will be 330. Got it? Have you understood what I am saying?
Ma'am, I didn't understood, ma'am.
Okay, see. Suppose if we are having this number 335,148. Now we have to round off it to the nearest 1,000 and 10,000. So nearest 1,000 and 10,000. Then we have to look after our 100 place digit. So 100 place digit is 1 beta. Right? Kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is less than 5 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
This is less than 5. So, in case of when it is less than 5, it is rounding down. It means what you need to do? You will not increase this 100 place, 10,000 place digit or 1,000 place digit. You will just simply round it or round it down. So here will be 1 only, and in place of 48, you will write 00. Now you have rounded down it because 148 is nearby, near down 100. Is it clear? Something is clear to you? Tell me, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note this first of all, then I will explain next rule. Note it down, children. Screen is visible to all.
Ma'am, should we write the rule 1?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, should we keep the heading as rounding off?
Yes, beta. Rounding off is the heading. Advik P, turn on your camera, beta. You are not visible. Fine.
Ma'am, what is written after one's place, ma'am?
One's place is 5 or greater than 5.
Okay. No.
Written, beta?
Done, ma'am.
All have written? Okay. Advik Singh, turn on your camera. Advik P, you also. Now, one more important thing I want to tell you about the rounding off. That if any number is rounding off.
Ma'am, can you wait 1 minute, ma'am? My friend is in this.
Okay, okay, okay. Advik P, you have not written?
Ma'am, you can write, ma'am.
Okay. See, if any number is rounded off to the thousand place, has zeros at the hundreds, tens, and ones place. Right? Same here. In this question as we did. See, we have rounded off here. See, we have to round off this 1,000, 10,000 place digit. But at 100 place digit, one is here less than 5. So we have rounded down. So we have just put the 0 in place of tens and ones place. See, if any number is rounded off to the 1,000 place, has 0 at the 100 place, 100, tens and ones place. Okay. So now if, second thing, if it is rounded off to the nearest 10,000, then all digits starting from 1,000 place will be zeros. And so on. Now see, we have to round off
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
6, 10,000. Instead of 10,000, we can write just 1,000. Now nearest 1,000, it means this 5.
Yes.
So you have to take this 7, beta. Now tell me, this 7 is greater than 5 or not?
It is greater.
It is greater?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you will add 1 to the 1000 place digit. We will add 1 to 1000 place digit. Because we have to round off. Oh. Got it my point? See, in previous property, see property read. If it is rounded off to the nearest 10,000, all digits starting from the 1000 place will be 0 and so on. So what you can write here? Now see, we have to round it off here to 1000 place. So all digits starting from 100, it will be 0. So you will report here 0. Understood, beta? Now suppose if we are rounding off this number only, 732 to nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. So 10,000 is 2 digit 2. So you will take this 5 number. Right, beta? So this 5 number is equal to 5 now. Please be on unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
This 5 is equal to 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will add 1 to the 10,000 place digit. So it will be 6, 3. Now rest digit will be 0. This is the property here. See, I have written here. If it is rounded off to the nearest 10,000, then all digits starting from 1000 place will be 0 and so on. Got it, beta? How we will write this 0? Understood,
Yes,
all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Advik P, Advay and Advik saying?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Please note this property, hurry up. This is quite important.
Ma'am, should we keep it as rule 2?
Yes, beta. If any number is rounded off to the 1000 place,
Ma'am, only that one property.
both the properties. With example also.
Ma'am, which 2 properties, ma'am?
Just wait. Let me tick.
Okay.
Okay. See, this property, this and this example. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Please note it down. And children, today I will give you the questions and homework based on this rounding off topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Please note it down it fast.
Ma'am, can you sweep up, ma'am?
Yes, beta. Advik P. Yes. Do you have any doubt, beta, Advik P?
No, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the first one which you have taken, is that 10,000, ma'am?
Yes, beta. Is rounded off to the 1000 place, not 10,000, to the 1000. Then in next one, it is 10,000. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Nothing.
Advik P, have you written? Show me your notebook.
Ma'am. Ma'am, in the first one, what is after has, ma'am?
In
1000
first
place
one
has.
has zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
Zeroes. Zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
Advik P, show me your notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Advik, bolo. Say
Ma'am,
Advik.
what is written after the will be zeros and in the second point?
Zeros and so on.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
This process will goes on, right? Please note the examples also.
Ma'am, can you wait 1 minute, ma'am?
Yes, I'm waiting. Don't worry. Have you written the examples also? Kindly note the examples also.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit up?
Yeah. It's fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Well done.
Written, children? With examples, have you written?
I'm not done, ma'am.
Okay. Advait, note it down. Advik P, kindly show me a notebook. Will you please show me a notebook? I want to see. Turn on the page. Okay. Your writing speed is very fast, right, Advik P?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Keep it up.
Ma'am, should we write all the examples?
Yes, Vita. If you will not write the examples, then you won't be able to solve the questions which I will give in homework. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it only one example?
One more.
Okay.
Where I have round off to nearest 10,000. This is the second one.
Ma'am, in the first example, you wrote 6,26,000, ma'am.
Yes, because we have rounded off to the 1,000 place digit. And in second one, I have written 6,30,000, where we are going to round off to 10,000 place digit. Okay. Okay, Advait?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, only this one work we have to do?
Yes, beta. Yes. And tomorrow I will continue this rounding off, and then we will start our next chapter, that is your basic operations. Okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
And tomorrow I will give you questions based on rounding off the numbers only, rounding of the digits. So kindly solve, do your homework, and I will check your homework tomorrow. Okay, in the class only.
Ma'am, can you send you the homework?
Yes, if you can send, then please send it to me on my personal window via WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Advait, have you written? Advik P.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, beta.
You're
Have you
fine,
understood?